In this video, we will introduce you to the top 6 budget to best steam iron for clothes in 2026 on Amazon. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 6 budget to best steam iron for clothes in 2026 on Amazon. Number 6, BLACK+DECKER Allure Professional Steam Iron for Clothes, 1800W Steam Iron with stainless steel sole plate, variable steam, auto shutoff, anti-drip, self-cleaning and vertical steam. Powerful 1800W fast heating delivers rapid heat up and consistent steam performance for quick, efficient wrinkle removal. Durable stainless steel sole plate smooth. Scratch-resistant sole plate glides effortlessly across fabrics while providing even heat distribution, variable steam and steam burst adjustable steam. Settings and a powerful steam burst tackle stubborn wrinkles on cotton, linen, denim, and other heavy fabrics. Vertical steam function refresh hanging garments, suits, curtains, and upholstery without needing an ironing board. Auto shut-off safety automatically powers off when left unattended, providing added safety and peace of mind. Anti-drip and self-cleaning system helps prevent water leaks, reduces mineral buildup, and maintains long-lasting steam performance. The BLACK+DECKER Allure. Number 5, BEAUTURAL Steam Iron for Clothes, 1800W Steam Iron with ceramic-coated sole plate, precision thermostat dial, 3-way auto-off, self-cleaning, anti-calcium and anti-drip. Blue. Fast 1800W heating. Powerful heating element quickly reaches the desired temperature for efficient wrinkle removal and smooth ironing performance. Ceramic coated sole plate. Scratch resistant ceramic surface glides smoothly across fabrics while providing even heat distribution to protect garments. Precision thermostat dial easily adjusts the temperature for a variety of fabrics, including silk, wool, cotton, linen, and synthetic materials. Powerful steam and vertical steaming. Continuous steam and steam burst help remove stubborn wrinkles, while vertical steaming refreshes hanging clothes and curtains. 3-way auto-off safety automatically turns off when left unattended to provide enhanced safety and peace of mind. Self-cleaning, anti-calcium and anti-drip built-in maintenance features help reduce mineral buildup, prevent water leakage, and extend the iron's lifespan. The BEAUTURAL Steam Iron for Clothes is designed to make everyday ironing faster, easier, and more efficient. Powered by 1800W heating system, it heats quickly and delivers consistent steam to smooth wrinkles from shirts, dresses, pants, linens, and more. The ceramic-coated sole plate glides effortlessly over fabrics while distributing heat evenly to help achieve. Number 4, Rowenta Access Steam Cord Reel DW2459U1 Steam Iron for Clothes, retractable cord, anti-drip protection, powerful steam, precision tip, auto shut-off. Clothes iron with vertical steamer. Powerful steam performance delivers continuous steam and a powerful steam boost to remove stubborn wrinkles from everyday garments and household fabrics. Cord reel retractable cord system. Built-in retractable cord allows quick, neat storage while reducing clutter after ironing. Anti-drip protection helps prevent water leakage and spotting, keeping clothes clean even when ironing at lower temperatures. Vertical steam function easily refresh hanging garments, curtains, upholstery, and delicate fabrics without using an ironing board. Precision tip and smooth sole plate designed to glide effortlessly across fabrics while reaching collars, cuffs, seams, buttons, and other hard-to-iron areas. Auto shut-off safety automatically turns off when left unattended, providing added safety and peace of mind during everyday use. The Rowenta Access Steam Cord Reel DW2459U1 Steam Iron combines powerful wrinkle-removing performance with convenient storage features for effortless garment care. Engineered to deliver continuous steam and a powerful steam boost, it smooths wrinkles from shirts, pants, dresses, linens, and more while helping achieve crisp, professional-looking results. The integrated. Number 3, Utopia Home Steam Clothes Iron, 1800W Steam Iron with non-stick sole plate, auto-off safety, adjustable thermostat, variable steam control, self-cleaning, 8-foot cord, black/red. Powerful 1800W fast heating quickly heats up to deliver consistent steam and efficient wrinkle removal for everyday ironing. Non-stick sole plate. Smooth non-stick sole plate glides easily across fabrics. helping prevent sticking while ensuring even heat distribution, adjustable thermostat, and variable steam control. Customized temperature and steam output for a wide variety of fabrics. From delicate garments to heavy cotton. Auto-off safety feature. Built-in automatic shutoff provides added protection and peace of mind when the iron is left unattended. Self-cleaning and anti-scale design. Self-clean function helps reduce mineral buildup and maintain long-lasting steam performance. Extra-long 8-foot cord provides greater flexibility and freedom of movement for comfortable ironing of clothing, curtains, and household linens. The Utopia Home Steam Clothes Iron is designed to make everyday garment care faster and more. Number 2 Chi Steam Iron for Clothes. 1700W Professional Steam Iron with titanium ceramic sole plate, vertical steam burst, 400 plus steam holes, 3-way auto shutoff, 8-foot cord, powerful 1700 watt. Fast heating quickly reaches the ideal temperature to deliver consistent steam and efficient wrinkle removal. Titanium ceramic sole plate. Premium scratch-resistant sole plate glides smoothly over fabrics while providing even heat distribution for professional quality results. 400 plus steam holes and vertical steam burst delivers powerful, even steam to remove stubborn wrinkles and refresh hanging garments, curtains, and upholstery. 3-way auto shutoff. Safety automatically powers off when left unattended for enhanced safety and peace of mind. Precise temperature control. Adjustable thermostat allows safe ironing on a wide variety of fabrics. From delicate garments to heavy cotton and linen. Extra-long 8-foot cord provides greater flexibility and freedom of movement while ironing larger garments and household. Number 1 Martisan 1800W Steam Iron for Clothes. Nano ceramic sole plate, dynamic steam burst, auto shutoff, fast heating, self-cleaning, anti-drip, anti-calc, 4-in-1 fabric iron. Powerful 1800W fast heating heats quickly to deliver consistent steam and efficient wrinkle removal for everyday ironing. Nano ceramic sole plate. Smooth, scratch-resistant sole plate glides effortlessly across all fabric types while promoting even heat distribution. Dynamic steam burst. Powerful steam boost helps remove stubborn wrinkles from cotton, linen, denim, and other thick fabrics. Precise thermostat for all fabrics. Adjustable temperature settings provide safe, accurate ironing for delicate to heavy-duty garments. 4-in-1 ironing function supports dry ironing, steam burst, and vertical steaming for versatile garment care. Auto shutoff and self-cleaning system. Built-in safety auto-off, anti-drip protection, anti-calc technology, and self-cleaning function help extend product life and ensure reliable performance. The Martisan 1800W Steam Iron is designed to deliver fast, efficient, and reliable garment care for every household. Equipped with a high-performance 1800 watt heating system, it reaches the desired temperature quickly and produces powerful steam.